My name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you add content above the members dashboard? Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to the back end. We're going to go to My Members, search Members. We're going to find a member. We'll use sample member 3 and we're going to log in as a member. And when we log in, we can see that sample member 3 is on membership plan 1. But what if I want to add content above the dashboard? Let's have a look at the back end. So in the back end of the website, we're going to go to Finance Membership Plans. Remember, from the front end of the website, we know that this member is in Membership Plan 1. So we'll go down to Membership Plan 1. We're going to edit it. And I quite often use this for sites I build on. So just here, we're going to open it up and use a text editor. And then what we could do, just for quickness, we're just going to add some content blocks. Let me just see. We'll add some feature content blocks. And this is really, really useful for adding on and selling stuff. You might add some quick links to digital products in here. Some add-on services that they can upgrade and make their account better. Maybe you're going to promote them and give them featured homepage visibility or something. So again, you can adapt this content and put in some buttons and add some links. Really, really good place to promote upsells. So we're going to save that, and then we're going to go back here. We're going to refresh the page, and we can see here that the content has loaded on. So really good use of the space. But that's how you add content to your dashboard area so that when members log in, they can see that information. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.